Whether you're working for an HVAC company, whether you run your own HVAC company, you can work in servicing multiple different places all day. You can install. There's a lot of different opportunities and doors that this pathway can open.
It's made me want to work a lot harder with all my stuff in general.
It's showed me how to use your hands when you're working, be a hard worker, and stay on the grind when you're working on your schoolwork. It brings all the way into school. So
we're going to be taking a lot of different classes, from cooling and dehumidification, refrigeration fundamentals, electronic components. My end goal is for everybody in my class to be able to pass the EPA exam and be universally certified.
It's going to teach me a lot of skills I can use in real life and in work, and it'll probably set me up, not probably, it will set me up for a very decent job where I can support myself and my family.